dishwasher, cleaning the filter of the dishwasher, and that's very important because I believe like if you don't clean stuff, I believe that like you can. So this is my dishwasher, and you know you have a filter in your dishwasher, and right here next to this thing that goes around and around and around and sprays this. So you're gonna take that up and you clean it once a month. And look how dirty it is. So you clean it once a month. Was it flipping worth it to clean this? Yes. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye.